So we got the pan off.
I like how it's blackish looking.
Yeah, this thing is cooked. This is the 4L60 out of Aaron's Camaro. He has thoroughly destroyed this one. So, filter out of here. We're gonna go ahead and get the harness out of it. We're gonna get the valve body off. Got to make sure you pull the TCC solenoid, because if you try to pull the pump with the TCC solenoid in, you'll break it off, and it's part of the harness.
Ooh.
So that'll be step one. Just get all the harness out of here. Everything comes apart pretty easy. And then
that's just a pass through, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just a pass through harness, so it'll come out through there. But unplug everything that's hooked to it, and then we'll go ahead and take the whole valve body out. So to the side, we have an entire new valve body for it. But we'll hop back on once we get all that apart. Got it completely stripped down. So the drum where the band rides will drag a nail, and there's a big gouge in it, so that needs to get replaced. I've got that clutch pack, had some damage to it. Where'd I put the sprag? So that's got a ton of heat marking on it, and just pieces of clutch inside of this. This clutch, this is a fiber disc, or was. It's actually in two different pieces now. Partially welded itself with steel. This is another one. This should be a flat clutch, and it's just destroyed. So we have all the parts to rebuild it, other than the hard parts. We needed to get it torn down today so we can see what hard parts are going to be needed. So that drum, we're going to order a new sprag for it. That should be it. We should be able to clean it up and rebuild it from there. We have a brand new valve body. We've got TCI Stage 3 rebuild kit for the clutches, steels, gaskets. It's got a B&M shift kit, and then right here we have a B&M 2000 stall converter that's going to go in it when we get it back together. But that's going to be it for today. So it's torn down. We'll get the hard parts ordered, and once we get all that stuff taken care of, then we'll get it reassembled after we get it all cleaned.